Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to copy paste multiple cells formatting in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a simple data. So this data I'm going to copy. So simply select the cell inside the data, then press the shortcut key Ctrl A to select the full data. Then press the Ctrl C to copy this entire data and select the destination where you want to paste. Here I select the Ctrl Alt V and I paste here the values. I select the values option in paste specials dialog box and press the enter. And here the values is paste. But here I'm going to copy paste now formatting, only the formatting of data. Okay. So same as select the entire data. So select the cell, Control A to select the entire data. Then press the Control C to copy. And you just select the here the destination. So I select the one cell here, the first cell. Then I use the Control Alt V and here the space spatial dialog box is open. Now I select this formats option, only the copy paste the formats. So here the formats copy paste. Okay. And click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see the formatting is paste. Same as if you want to copy paste anywhere, the formatting, just select the cell. I use here the same shortcut key, the Control Alt V. And here in space spatial dialog box, select the formats option. Then click on OK and that's it. See, the formatting only paste here. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe my channel.